You've probably seen these road restoration videos all over your feed. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, they're everywhere. But here's where it gets crazy. I came across a YouTube channel called JHacks. It has 121,000 subscribers. As you can see here, this video has 36 million views, and this one has 24 million. And just this week alone, this channel pulled over 6 million views. And if you look at what they're earning, as you can see, they're already making 6 figures a month from these simple videos that take less than 5 minutes to make. And here's what really blew my mind. When I dug deeper, I found out they upload the same exact videos on their TikTok page. Those videos that had 36 million and 24 million on YouTube pulled more than 46 million and 23 million views on TikTok, which is absolutely insane. That's what made me spend 48 hours breaking down their exact strategy, step by step, reverse engineering how these videos are actually made. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these videos 100% for free using only AI. And make sure you watch this till the end, because I'm going to show you a secret method this creator uses to quietly pull in an extra $12,000 a month on top of ad revenue. I'll also show you how you can use the exact same method to start making extra money in your own niche. And the best part? It literally costs nothing to set up. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. Alright, step 1. Finding the after shot. This whole strategy works backwards. You take a clean, beautiful road, and then you use AI to destroy it. To find clean images, head over to Pinterest and search for something like straight road or beautiful streets. I choose Pinterest because its images are cinematic, high quality, and they work insanely well for transformations. Just click on one you like and save it to your device. Now here's where things get interesting. Step 2 is turning this clean image into a bad road image. For this, you can use any image generator, but for this demo, I'll use Pipit because it's 100% free. You can also do this with Gemini. It works just fine. Alright, so once you're inside Pipit, head over to Image Studio and choose AI Design, which support Nano Banana Model. Then, click on this plus icon and upload the image we downloaded from Pinterest. And don't worry about the prompt. Inside my free school community, I dropped a Google Doc with all the exact prompts you need. So just open the Google Doc, copy the first prompt, then come back to Pipit, paste it in. Before generating, click on aspect ratio and make sure you choose 9:16 since we're making YouTube and TikTok shorts. Now click generate. And in seconds, Pipit will give you 4 images you can choose from. I think this one looks great. As you can see, it's a perfectly destroyed road. You can also click on this upscale button if you want to maximize the quality of the image. But for now, just download the image to your device. Once that's done, we need to create the reconstructed road image. For this, just click the plus icon again and upload the destroyed image you just downloaded. Then go back to the Google Doc, copy the second prompt, paste it into Pipit, then click generate. And just like that, you'll get a reconstructed road version like this. Again, click on download and save it to your computer. Alright, step 3. Animating the restoration. This is where the video actually comes to life. At first, I tried using Grok AI for this, but it doesn't support start and end frames, which is crucial for this type of transformation. So instead, I switched to Flow. So just search Google Flow on Google, log in, and click New Project. Now here's an important step. By default, Flow is set to text to video. So click on that and switch it to ingredient to video. Then click the plus icon and upload your first bad road image. Now just crop it correctly. Click on landscape, switch it to portrait so it fits YouTube Shorts or TikTok, and click crop and save. Next, go to my Google Doc, copy the third prompt, and paste it into Flow. Make sure the aspect ratio is 9:16 and the model is VEO 3.1 fast. Now, just press enter to generate. And in a few seconds, Flow will create your first hook of the bad road animation. Once that's done, click here and switch to frames to video to generate the full transformation animation from the bad road to the constructed road. First, upload the bad road image. This is your starting frame. Again, do the same thing here. Click on landscape and change it to portrait. Once it looks like this, click crop and save. Perfect. Now, click the second plus icon and upload the construction road image we generated earlier. To avoid confusion while uploading, make sure you name the images something like this: bad road, constructed road, and perfect road. Again, just crop and save. Now this next part is very important. Go back to the Google Doc, copy the fourth prompt, and paste it in. Now click generate. Flow will start creating your animation. And in a few seconds, you'll have a smooth transformation that looks like this. Now that we have the transformation from a bad road to a constructed one, just click download and save the video in 1080p. And now comes the interesting part, editing. For editing, open CapCut and import all the clips you generated in Flow. Then drag them into the timeline. As you can see here, there is this annoying watermark. So to hide it, just zoom in a little bit like this. Do this for all the clips. To make the video clearer, you can add this 2K filter if you want. And that's it. Before I show you the secret trick this creator uses to make an extra $12,000 per month, let me show you the final result. Alright, now let me show you the secret method. If you head over to his TikTok account, you'll notice a website linked right in his bio, jhacks.com. Now watch what happens when we open it. This takes us to a simple web page where he sells a step-by-step guide on how to create these exact renovation videos. Nothing fancy. As you can see, he sells this guide for $12. Now, let's say only 1,000 people out of 36 million views decide to buy this. That's already over $12,000 per month. And realistically, with the kind of views he's getting, it's probably much more than that. And the best part? You can apply this same exact model to any niche: AI videos, history, fitness, tutorials, storytelling, anything. So if you want to replicate this, you really only need 3 simple things. Nothing complicated. Number 1, you need views on your videos. YouTube, TikTok, Shorts, wherever your audience is. Number 2, create a simple, complete guide that shows people how to do one specific thing in your niche. Literally any process people keep asking you about. Number 3, you need a place to sell it. Now, if you want to be extra professional, you can build a clean website like this one. But honestly, you don't need that to start. To make things as easy and cheap as possible, you can use free platforms like Gumroad or Payhip, where you can list your product for free. Here's exactly what to do. Once you've created your PDF or video tutorial, head over to Payhip and click on Create Digital Product. The first thing you'll do is upload your product file. In my case, I'm just uploading a random PDF to show you how the process works. Next, give your product a simple and clear title, something like How to Create X Videos with AI, and of course, adjust it based on your niche. Then set your price based on value. For a short, straight-to-the-point guide or tutorial, pricing it between $10 and $15 works perfectly. After that, add a basic product image. You can design this in literally 2 to 5 minutes using a free tool like Canva. I'm not exaggerating. This one took me under 5 minutes. Again, I'm showing you the process here, but if you want real results, you should put a bit of effort into making it look clean and professional. Just download the image and upload it to Payhip. Next, write a short description that clearly explains what's inside the guide, just like this creator did. Tell people exactly what they'll learn, what tools are included, and what result they can expect. You can keep it very simple. For example, in this guide, you'll learn how to create X using AI step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Once that's done, make sure the visibility is set to visible, then click Create Product. Now you'll get a product link right here, and just like that, your digital product is live and ready to sell. You basically paste this link in your YouTube description, your TikTok bio, and your Instagram bio, anywhere. And look, if you want to go deeper into this and want my personal guidance, I've made my school community 100% free for now. That's where I break things down step by step and help people actually scale their YouTube channels. The link is below, and watch this video next, where I copied this YouTube channel only with AI. See you there.